Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming today to this event. Well, first of all, I would like to thank the Ministry of Environment for the support in co-organizing this event. Also to SEDARE, who have been organizing everything. And also to the European Union, who is the donor and of the SwitchMed program. Just a brief introduction about the SwitchMed program. It's a project that has been running since 2013, more or less. And the objective of this program is to scale up ecological and social innovations in Egypt. Well, today it's gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to this collective brainstorming exercise. And well, today's event has been implemented in 8 Mediterranean countries. And we've worked well, we want to offer a space of dialogue and analysis of the challenges, opportunities, and strategies to promote green entrepreneurship and green civil society initiative. So as you might know, in the Mediterranean region and in Egypt too, we are facing great environmental pressures and environmental degradation that are caused mainly by the unsustainable current production patterns, but also by our unsustainable lifestyles. So in order to change that and to ensure a sustainable future for Egypt and also for the whole Mediterranean region, we think that we have to change and move to a more green and circular economy, where in an economy where environment is put at the core of our activities. So at SwitchMed, we believe that green entrepreneurs and civil society initiatives are in a great position to change this economic model, because they are able to develop innovative business models that respond to these environmental challenges, but also are economically viable and socially empowering. So why these actors that we call the switchers are in this position? So the switchers, when developing their business ideas or their initiative, they think on three dimensions: environment, economy, and society. So that means that since the very beginning of the design of their project or their initiative, they try to embed all the environmental aspects that can help to reduce the environmental impact. So, although there's a general consensus that the switchers are contributing to minimize the environmental impacts, and also that they contribute to create, for instance, jobs, and they contribute positively to economy, there's also a general consensus that they face more difficulties, or they find more obstacles than the conventional entrepreneurs. So that's why at SwitchMed we think that we have to do an extra effort to provide extra support to all these switchers to develop this initiative. So to overcome these barriers, it's key to identify and work on all the leverage points that are important for, from one side, to enhance the support ecosystem, also to enable a conductive policy framework, and third, to influence the mindset and behavior of society in general. So at SwitchMed, the last 4 years, we've been working to do that by providing capacity building to business support organizations, to entrepreneurs, supporting and collaborating with government and regional institutions to try to improve or develop the policy framework in the sense of being more favorable to these green entrepreneurs, and also to attract the interest of investors so that they understand and are aware that it is important to provide funds also to this kind of projects. So today's event is a space of dialogue and discussion for all of you to share your views and your opinions and how can we improve or provide opportunities to overcome all these challenges. So the results of today's discussions, and especially of the working groups that will be held later, will serve to draft a national white paper, which will include also the results of some interviews, and this white paper will be used to advocate for this in front of government and other organizations on how can we better support and better improve the ecosystem of all of you. So, well, to conclude, at SwitchMed, again, we believe that this switch to a green and circular economy has to be done with a collective effort from all of us. And for this reason, I would like to encourage all of you to continue working to develop sustainable activities, strategies, and actions. And well, I hope we'll have a meaningful and fruitful event today. And thank you for your attention.